everybody, Iceman50 here. So I got a new, as you can tell by the intro, I've got a new project here. I'm going to be rebuilding a original Game Boy with new case, backlight, all new buttons and everything. I'll show you what we got here. All right, so you can see here's the Game Boy that I built a while ago. I did this all before I was really on YouTube. But you can see here's our original DMG 01. Here's my red clear case with yellow buttons, and it's got a yellow switch up at the top. This thing's pretty decked out. Let's turn it on and get you in here. Okay, so it's one of my favorite all-time games, Super RC Pro-Am. You can see I've got the yellow backlight with the yellow switches. So we're gonna do something very similar to this one. I've got some parts coming from kitsch-bent. They make all the stuff for these, and so yeah, it's gonna be a fun treat. That's a project coming up here. I just gotta wait for the parts. So we'll see you when everything comes in. All right, easy.